Create better winching angles and take up less room on the roadway with Zip's side puller recovery tool. We've designed a side puller recovery tool that uses a 3-roller guide system and attaches to the tailboard of your car carrier bed without any installation costs. This system optimizes your existing winch and wire rope by allowing you to winch the casualty out of the ditch without blocking traffic. The solid welded construction creates a strong and secure transition point, and the 3-roller guide system is going to provide you with 2 side rollers and 1 bottom roller. This will give you 180 degrees of cable angle side to side and 90 degrees of cable angle downward. By positioning the tool toward the rear approach plate, the operator is able to get the cable to the end of the deck so the cable won't rub alongside the rail or corner of the deck. Zip's side puller recovery tool easily installs using the existing keyhole slots on the approach plate of all Miller Series 10, 12, and 16 steel car carrier beds. To use an aluminum deck, a 2 1/4 inch hole will need to be drilled, as the key slots on the aluminum deck have a unique design with a smaller hole. The shank on the side puller is long enough to install and safely lock into place on both types of decks. This attachment is secured in place with a hitch pin and a cotter pin. The deck should be in the locked position prior to winching. For added stability, we recommend the use of our AW Direct ice claws for 3.5 inch crossbars or the Zip's custom anchor spades designed for Miller car carriers. This tool can be uninstalled just as fast, and it's light enough and small enough to be removed and stored in many underbody toolboxes. Keep traffic flowing by taking up less room on the road with the enhanced winch angles created by Zip's side puller recovery tool. Improve your recovery time and get home safely. Order today at zips.com or call 800-222-6047.